guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you're new. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get right into today's video. So for today's video, Melanie Susie sent over another drill, and this is their Kanon, I believe that's how you pronounce it. This is their Kanon nail drill, and I'm going to be doing a review on it today. I'm going to unbox everything, show you guys what it comes with, and use it and see how it performs. So let's go ahead and open this baby up. The first thing we get is this little cute envelope here. And this envelope has a thank you note in it, and I did read it off camera. If you want to read it, you can just pause it and read it if you want to, but it came with a little note. Now getting into the other items in it, it comes with a user manual, and that's the first thing I'm going to be showing you guys. And I was trying to flip through this book, and I couldn't get the pages to flip, and yeah, so the user manual just shows you how to use it, everything that you need to know in it. The second thing I'm going to be showing you are these two drill bits. And one thing I love about Melanie Susie is they don't only give you like the little drill bits that always come in there. They give you super good quality nail drill bits, and I'm not sure the name of this one, but this one was a really good one, and I did enjoy using it going around the cuticle area. And the next one we get is this medium grit large barrel ceramic drill bit, and this one also performs very good. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's not a safety one. Like, it's really sharp at the edge, so you really do have to be careful with it. And then it comes with the little regular ones that always come in nail drill kits, and it has the mandrel drill bit, of course, for the sanding band to go over your natural nails. And then the next thing I'm going to show you that comes in this package is the wall piece. This is how you're able to charge your drill, and at first I thought this had to be plugged in like the entire time you're using it, but this is actually a rechargeable nail drill, and I really like that because like I hate all the cords that be hanging from my desk and stuff. So yeah, I really like how you can recharge it and everything. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this handpiece, and this was literally my favorite part. Like, look at this, guys, it has my name on it, Nails by Key, and honestly when I seen this I felt like one of the big dogs. Like, I just love everything about this. It's so pretty. And here is the other side. It has Melanie Susie on it. Now there are two versions of this nail drill. The one that they offered me was the engraved version, so if you order this one you can get whatever you want. I believe you can get up to 16 letters, and there's one without the engraving, which is a little bit cheaper. And I really love this nail drill. Like, overall it is really good, and it also has the unlock and unlock feature because I love to adjust like the length of my drill bits, and once you lock it, it does not move at all, and it fits really comfortable in your hand as well. And it does have a little bit of weight on it, but I feel like the weightness, it just shows you that it's actually like good quality, because I know like the cheap ones are like really light and like, yeah. So here is the actual body of the other part of the drill, and it looks so nice. Like, I love getting new things and how it just looks brand new. I love how it's made up. I haven't seen a nail drill made up like this, and what I like about this, it has a little knob on it, and you can see the control speed of the RPMs you are working on, and it goes up to 35 RPMs. And as you can see beside it to the left of the numbers, it has a little R on it. That just indicates that the rotation on this drill is in reverse. So here is a 360 of the nail drill. So going back to the back of the drill, here is where you would plug in the cord for the wall piece to be able to charge your nail drill. And also while it's charging, it does show you like the battery percentage. And here it says motor. This is where you plug in the 3-prong cord for the handpiece, and it's super easy. Everything is like straightforward. It's nothing to be confused about. That's what I really like about this. And then it also has a forward and reverse knob, and like it clearly shows you what rotation is going in. So yeah, it's not hard to work at all. And then here is where you're able to put your handpiece in once you're done, or you know, you can just let it sit there on the desk. And here is how it would look, and I do apologize for the mess, like the boxes and stuff. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in, and I'm gonna test out the sound and let you guys listen to it and see how all of that performs. So I just tried to let you guys listen to it, and I don't even know if you heard it or not, but this drill is very low. Like, it's not loud at all. Even throughout my like filing process, like it was loud because like I was filing the surface, but the drill itself is not loud at all. So yeah, this is going to be a different type of video. I'm just going to do a filing video, and I was worried that you guys might not want to see just a filing video, but I just tested the waters and see how you guys would like this, because I know there are people who enjoy the filing process and think it's satisfying. So this is going to just be a filing video. And if you recognize this nail set, I did do it like 3 or 4 videos back. I'll leave that video in the cards if you guys are interested to see the process of the actual nail set. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and file the nails. I'm using my 8080 grit nail file from Pana to reshape the nails, and I'm also gonna go over the surface just a little bit, and then I'm gonna take the nail drill and see how everything performed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this video. If you do enjoy this video, let me know down below. Make sure to leave a like and comment. Subscribe if you haven't already, and yeah, let's just go ahead and let the video play. So now that I'm finished up hand filing, I did want to pop in this video to show you guys a gift that they sent me. I didn't have to show this, but I just wanted to, since it is a Melanie Susie gift from them. So they sent over this cute little package, and I'm just wondering what could it be, because I didn't expect this at all. And I am going to speed it up just because, like, you know, it's not really important. But yeah, they did send this really cute handwritten note, and this came from one of the affiliate marketing people who always reach out to me, Iris. She's very sweet, and she sent over these candles, and these candles are 4 seasons. Like, we have the summer right here, and then we have the spring, and of course so on and so on. And I did leave the name of them in the top corner because I didn't realize they was there at first. So yeah, so while opening these, I did smell them, and they smell really good. I think my favorite one has to be Autumn, which is that orange jar. The jars look so cute. Like, I'll probably have these sitting around the room, or maybe on my nail table for like aesthetic purposes. Like, I just really love the jars, that matte finish on them. So yeah, I just wanted to show that. And now let's go ahead and get right back into the filing process. So I'm just going to be filing the surface of the nail to take down the bulk, and I'm also going to be going around the cuticle area. So first, I'm starting off with that ceramic drill bit that they sent, and I eventually will switch over to the other one. I'm not sure the specific name, but I'm gonna switch over to that one and get around the cuticle area, and it works so good. Like, I really love that one, and I still have it attached to my nail drill. I probably use that one for everything now. Like, it is so good. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this part. Thank you guys for watching in advance, and make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy this process. So this is how the nails look once I have finished removing the bulk of the nail. Also going around the cuticle area, I did finish up with a little bit more hand filing just to smooth out the surface, just because I have a lot more control with my hand file. I went ahead and finished filing the free edge of my nail because I really like that crisp look to them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the dust. And yeah, this is the entire process of me filing, and I absolutely love this drill. Every time I receive a drill from Melanie Susie, it just always upgrades itself. Just like the last drill they sent me was their 𝚙𝚘𝚘𝚘𝚘 cordless drill. That one is very good for beginners. I do recommend it. I'll leave that video of the unboxing and how it performs in the cards or also down below. And also that one was more on the cheaper side. This engraved version is a little bit more expensive, but honestly I would 100% recommend it. I feel like it's worth the money because you get your name on the side and everything. I'll also leave my discount code down below to save you some money off. But yeah, the video that I did of this application, I'll leave that in the cards like I mentioned before. And this is how that nail set turned out. I'm sure a lot of you guys already seen it, but if you haven't, make sure to go check it out and comment down below what you guys thought of this video. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.